Hello everyone, I'm Sanjay Manyal, Research Analyst at ICICIdirect, tracking FMCG and consumer discretionary space. Wishing you a very happy Diwali.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashesh Shah. I'm a Senior Research Analyst at ICICI Securities Research Desk.
This year in our Muhurat pick, we are giving Havells India Limited as our recommendation. In last 1 decade, if we see, Havells India has transformed itself from an industrial goods company to consumer goods company. Its consumer business has grown at a 21% CAGR in a decade. Post its acquisition of Lloyd business, its contribution from the consumer business has gone up from 30% to above 50%. The company has a strong market share in organized category. Market share is ranging from 5 to 20% in different categories. It commands strong gross margins, which gives it a leeway to spend 4 to 5% towards advertisement and promotion spends. The company is continuously trying to increase its market presence and market share by launching newer products, by foraying in different categories, and penetrating in tier 2, tier 3 cities. It is doing a capex of 700 to 800 crore in air conditioning, washing machine, and wires and cable segment. In the medium term, if we see, the softening of commodity prices will result in an EBITDA margin improvement from H2 onwards, H2 FY23 onwards. And given the fact that it is trying to launch newer premium product, this will also aid EBITDA margin over the longer period of time. Higher EBITDA margin would result in a strong profitability growth of 20% over the next 2 years. So strong brand, strong balance sheet, and continuous effort to increase the profitability from the Lloyd business makes Havells an attractive consumer play in our coverage universe. We are recommending Havells India for Muhurat pick with a target of 1650 per share. Once again, wishing you a very happy Diwali and a prosperous Diwali. Thank you.
Today we would bring you one stock in the tourism space for our Muhurat pick. The stock name is Lemon Tree Hotels. Why we have selected tourism industry? Irrespective of what is happening in the global market, the Indian tourism sector is not only going to rebound sharply this year, but also poised to grow structurally for next 3 to 4 years period. Now, talking brief about the company's background, it is promoted by Mr. Patanjali Keswani, and the company is currently operating 8,500 rooms across 56 locations in India and abroad. The company's hotel brand include Lemon Tree Premier, Aurika, Lemon Tree, and Keys, and Red Fox in the economy segment. The strategic location of this property not only helps the company to grow faster, but also helps to reduce concentration risk. To capitalize on the growth prospect, the company has taken a major capex program. Under this capex program, the company is adding almost about 2,000 rooms over a period of next 2 to 3 years, of which 700 rooms are coming under its own category. Post this expansion, its total room inventory count is going to increase to over 10,500 rooms in total. So this represents a capacity CAGR of 11.5% for next 2 years. In terms of cost, the company is now more lenient in terms of operations. If you look at its employee count, its employee count has reduced from 1 to 0.6 in the period of last 2 years. Further, with adoption of more technology in its day-to-day operations, we expect company's operating margin to scale up to over 50%, which is highest among the industry. Now, in terms of room supply, the overall cost of construction has gone up sharply in the past 1.5 years. The current cost of setting up one room has almost inched up by 40%. So we are going to expect some moderation in the room supply going forward. But for this company, it's an opportunity because it's a niche play in the mid-size segment, and the company is going to explore the opportunities in this segment, which has remained more unorganized compared to the premium segment. Overall, we believe the company's large asset base, its financial partner, will not only help the company to mitigate the liquidity issues, but also will help the company to grow faster in the hotel space. I thank you all of you for listening to me patiently, and I wish you all a very happy Diwali and very happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.